everyone. As you always know that anytime you want to cash out, I dey always take my time to do video about to swap your coin for you, because I know some of you will have forgotten. So let's say for example Notcoin launches and they've sent your token to your exchange that you use. You just click on wallet. For some of you, I will have to do for different exchanges, but I will make it quick. Let's say your coin has been transferred to you, and you are seeing it here. You are seeing your coin here. You have to transfer you now click on transfer. You transfer that your Notcoin. Immediately they send this for you. You notice that the deposit is for you. Don't wait till the launching time on. So if they send it before the launching, you just have to come to your asset. For OKX, you click on transfer, then you click on the coin you want. You now search for the coin you want to transfer. You choose not. Once you choose not, you can see at the top from funding to trading. So make sure it is the one at the top is on funding and the one below is trading. If it's not like that, you have to use this icon at the front to switch, to toggle between it. So after that, so what am I saying? So you can see, okay, they've transferred someone's note because someone used my wallet. So they've transferred the note to my OKX. So you have to transfer from funding to trading. Then you click on confirm. You can see transfer successful. Then you now come here below. You can see trade here. This black icon here. You click on it. Then you tap on this TRX/USDT at the top right corner here. Then you search for TRX. You search for NOT. You can see it's not there already because they've not listed it. Once they listed it, it will show. You tap on it. Let's say this is NOT/USDT. You now click on sell. You change this limit order to market order. Though if any coin just launches, you won't be able to trade market order within 5 minutes. You understand? So you have to use limit order. Then you drag everything here. If you want to sell everything, you drag to 100% and you click on sell. You understand? So that's how to do it, so that you will not be waiting for anybody that will teach you how to do this thing before people dump on you. So that's for OKX. If you are using Bybit, I think it should be Bybit also. You follow the same procedure. You have to transfer from your funding. You click on assets. Look below here. You click on assets. Sorry, the network is quite. So once you click on assets, you have to click on transfer. Once you click on transfer, then you search for the coin that you want to transfer. You choose you click on this BTC. You search for NOT. You can see once you search for NOT. So once you search for NOT, it will show here. Then you now transfer your NOT from funding. Look at the top. You can see it's from funding to unified trading account. That's your spot trading. You understand? If it's not like that, you have to use this icon here. This swapping icon between them. So you have to transfer from funding to your trading. Then you click on max. You can see they have not sent my notes to my Bybit. That's why it's not showing. That's why it's showing zero. You understand? So you click on max, then you transfer, you confirm it. So once transfer is successful, you now click on trade below. Look below. You see trade. Then you search for where they put TRX here at the top left corner here. You click on it. Then you search for NOT. You can see it's coming soon. So once it's available for trading, let's say let me use TRX as an example now. Let's say this is NOT/USDT. You now click on sell. Once you click on sell, I told you already, you will not be able to change this within 5 minutes of launching. So you have to trade on limit. So you click on sell. You have to click on sell. Then you click on sell. You understand? You swap. If you want to sell 100%, you drag it to 100%. And if you are not selling now, you input the amount you want to sell here. Then you click on sell. So once it hits this thing, the trade will be triggered. You understand? So that's how to do that. And for which other one? For Binance. So for Binance, you click on your wallet. Look below. You click on wallet. Then you click on spots. Look at the spot I'm clicking at the top. Once you click on spot, you now click on transfer. So you transfer from funding to spot. So you now choose Notcoin here. You choose NOT. So once you click on NOT, then you click on max. So you are transferring your Notcoin from your funding to your spot. So once you transfer, you click on confirm transfer below. After it has been transferred to your spot, you now look below. You click on trade. This is for Binance users. Once you click on trade, you now search for Notcoin trading pair. You search for it here. Look at it. I click on this TRX/USDT, and you search for NOT. You know it's not showing here because it has not yet been listed. So I don't mean it has been listed. You now click on NOT/USDT. After you click on it, let's say this is NOT/USDT. You click on sell. If you change here, firstly on all the app I showed you, this limit order, try to change it to market order. If it allows you to trade on market order, then very good, you can use market order. But I trust Bybit. They allow people trade on market order within 5 minutes of launch. Only after 5 minutes. Once 5 minutes don't pass, they don't launch ahead, then you'll be able to trade it. You'll be able to trade this thing on market order. You understand? But you can try for Binance and other and OKX. But Bybit, I'm very sure they won't allow you to trade on market order. So you choose markets. If it allows you to trade on market, then you click on it back, you choose limits, then you drag this to 100%, or you can input the amount you want to do and you sell. So you see, I've already tell you how to sell now. But to move the money to your bank, then you can contact me. I'm buying USDT. You can message me so that you send it to my Binance or my OKX or my Bybit, then I will send you cash.